welcome back to Movie Love Lover 100. I'm Abby, and today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the Welly Wishers Carrot and Hutch set from American Girl. I decided to make this a separate video because there's just a lot of stuff that comes with the set, and it's been on my wish list for quite a while now, and I can't believe I actually now have Carrot. It's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I guess I don't need to do it time lapse, I don't think, because I mostly I think it will be easy to unbox, so I won't need to do a time lapse or anything. Here's the picture on the back. It's Willa, I think her name is. And here's Carrot and his little Hutch. I'm so excited, because I've been wanting this bunny for a while now, like I said, and I'm so happy that it actually happened now. Oh wait, let me take a thumbnail picture. Okay, I just took a thumbnail picture for the thumbnail, so now we can get to opening. I'm really excited to see him. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, it feels so cool. Don't worry, this is how I'm like every time I unbox something from American Girl. It just feels so exciting. He's so soft. Oh my gosh. Little Carrot, he's so soft. There he is. Told you, so easy to unbox. This is why I just love American Girl. So easy. And they come with really good quality stuff. Carrot! This is me fangirling over Carrot for 1 minute straight. Okay. I like how it's not that hard, but it's still packaged really well. And it's still easy for little girls to open it, or little boys too. Kids in general, I should say. Okay, there's just one right here. It's okay. Okay, I got it. Okay, now I just have to get the back. Sorry, you can't see. Just trying to. Okay, here's the Hutch. If I can get it. Okay. Here it is! Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. Some little pieces. I don't know why there's a hair tie on the sidebar, but I can get that later if I need to. Here's Carrot. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Here he is. He's so fluffy. I'll review everything in a minute when I'm done. Oh, packaging. Alright. I'm gonna do this the safe way and open the tape from under. So you can get his carrots and stuff. love it. Alright, here he is. So, first thing is the Hutch. Let me do the Hutch. Here's the Hutch. It is this teal color, and it stands on 4 legs, which is really cool. And how you open it is, I think, from the front here. Yes. And then you can put this down. Oh my gosh. And he can walk up here, which I think is just so cool. And it looks really cool on the inside too. It doesn't just look like a ramp. It looks like engraved in his cage. So it doesn't just look like a ramp. It's so cool. I love that. And there's a little carrot water bowl, or not water bowl, water bottle for him. And I think you can, yes, you can remove it from the cage. Here it is. Let me get this elastic off my finger. There it is. It's really realistic. Like the top, that's really, really cool. And it just snaps on the bar of the cage that easily. And here's his nameplate, just Carrot, which is so cool. So yeah, there's the Hutch, and here is Carrot. It's a white bunny, the little, like a little pattern on his right eye. Well, to me, it's right. And he has a leathered collar. It's fake leather on a leather collar on his neck. And he has a tag, and it just says American Girl 2017. And he fits right in the cage perfectly. That is so cool. He comes with a bowl. I think this is for his food. Maybe his water. Well, he does have his water bottle, but he can drink from a bowl too if he wants. And it comes with these 3 carrots that are stuck together. So that is so cool. So yeah, this is called the Carrot and Hutch set from American Girl, the Welly Wishers line. I think this is so neat, and I'm gonna have so much fun with this. A little too much fun, I should say. Let me take off elastic off the nameplate. Thank you guys so much for watching me unbox Carrot and his or her. I think it's a his. I don't want to assume gender, so. But yeah, that's so cool. So you can like put this anywhere. I love that feature. And there it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next unboxing for part 3. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys!